Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a circle in Google Maps. Google Maps doesn't have a built-in circle drawing feature, but you can easily draw a radius or circle using Google My Maps or a third-party tool like Free Map Tools. This is super helpful when you want to visualize areas within specific distance from a central location, like for delivery zones, marketing areas, or travel planning. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to go to freemapstools.com/radius around points. Radius here. Let's open the website. Second step is to click on the map to draw points. For example here. Let's zoom in. Or let's choose this one here. Now the second step is to enter your desired radius in kilometers or miles. For example, 10 kilometers. My location name. Let's look for the draw radius. Let's 10, and let's click on draw radius. Radius size 10 kilometers. Let's clear all the pins. Let's put a pen. Let's click on it. And as you can see here, the radius has been drawn. The site will automatically draw a circle around that point. You can also export it as a KML file to use it in Google Earth or Google My Maps. There's an alternative method using Google My Maps. You can go to Google My Maps. Now let's open the website. Here. Create a new map, then use a draw a line tool and add a line or shape and manually plot points in a circular pattern around a central location. This won't be a perfect circle, but it will be close enough. And name it and save it the layer for reference. Now, while Google Maps doesn't support native circles, third-party tools or manual shapes in Google My Maps can give you full control over radius visualization. It's perfect for planning, analysis and presentation. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.